Using SHEIN gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy shopping. Step 1. Create a login to your SHEIN account. Visit the SHEIN website or app and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Step 2. Browse and select items. Browse through the available items on SHEIN. Once you find something you like, select the size and quantity, then add it to your shopping cart. Step 3. Go to checkout. After you have added all desired items to your cart, click on the shopping cart icon and then select the checkout option to proceed with your purchase. Step 4. Enter gift card code. On the checkout page, look for the option to enter gift card code. Input your gift card number and any necessary PIN, then click to apply a card to your order. Step 5. Complete your purchase. Review your order total after applying the gift card. If there is any remaining balance, you can choose a payment method to cover it. Finally, confirm your order to complete the purchase. Now you're ready to enjoy your shopping experience with SHEIN gift cards. Happy shopping!